Alright, that's enough. Let Zito go.
Here, on a tape.
Yeah, film with Zito. Let's see it better. Push it over. No, I'll get a better view of it. Alright.
You missed!
Alright, let me see that. Are you getting this? I think I hit an artery.
Holy shit.
I think we have a problem, guys. Dude, stop. Stop. Yo. Alright. Calm down. Let's just gather our thoughts about what just happened. It's on it.
What was that?
I have no idea.
Hit the cage.
What?
Hit the cage side. No, like... Here.
Oh, this?
No, facing us.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Alright. How long does that happen?
It's been 2 minutes. Oh, she almost hit me.
Let me see it for 1 second. I got an idea.
Here.
Can you fix this, Frank? It's not tape. Yeah, you sure it's not going to cut off and recycle? You sure it won't do that?
Yep.
This did it with the tree, remember?
Oh, that was fantastic.
Yeah. Hit the middle.
There you go. Alright, I got a great finale once we're ready. You ready to end it? I got an idea.
Alright.